Good afternoon, Dr. Rodriguez. My name is Ching-Wen Candace Mom. Today I'm going to go over the types of tissues found in our body. The first type of tissue is known as the epithelial tissue, which are sheets of cells that cover the body's surface and lines the body cavities. It also forms most of the body glands. The functions of epithelial include protection, secretion, absorption, diffusion, filtration, and also sensory reception. Epithelial cells are classified by the number of cell layers as simple, which is one layer, or stratified, more than one layer, and also by the cell shape, squamous, which is flat cells, cuboidal, cube-like cells, or columnar, column-like cells. Next, as the simple squamous epithelial allows the materials to pass through by diffusion, filtration, and secretes lubricating substances. This one is found in the air sacs of the lungs, also known as the alveoli, and it lines the heart. The simple cuboidal epithelial secretes and absorbs. This one is found in the ducts and secretory portions of the small glands in the kidney. The simple columnar epithelial absorbs and secretes mucus and enzymes. This is the ciliated tissues are in the bronchi and uterus. The smooth non-ciliated are in the digestive tract and bladder. The stratified squamous epithelial protects against abrasions found in the esophagus, mouth, and vagina. The stratified cuboidal epithelial protects tissues found in sweat glands. The stratified columnar epithelial secretes and protects. This is found in male urethra. And transitional epithelial, this is found, allows the urinary organs to stretch and expand. This is found in the bladder. The next type of tissue is connective tissue. And connective tissue is the most diverse and abundant type of tissue. There are four basic classes of connective tissue, which is connective tissue proper, loose and dense, cartilage, bone, and blood. So loose connective tissue contains areolar, adipose, and reticular. Adipose tissue reserves food, fuel, and insulates against heat loss. Areolar wraps and cushions the organs. Reticular fibers form a soft internal skeleton that supports other cell types, including white blood cells, mast cells, and macrophages. And the dense connective tissue contains dense regular, dense irregular, and elastic tissue. The dense regular tissue attaches muscle to bone or to muscles to form tendons or most ligaments. The dense irregular tissue is able to withstand tension exerted in many directions, found in the dermis of the skin. The elastic tissue allows recoil of the tissue following stretching, found in the walls of large arteries like the aorta. The cartilage is a firm but flexible tissue that's found in the nose, ears, and trachea. The bone tissue is a hard collagen-rich matrix embedded with calcium salts, and this mineral gives the bone compressive strength. The blood consists of red blood cells, white blood cells in a fluid matrix, which is called plasma. The next type of tissue is muscle tissue, and muscle tissue contains long muscle cells that are specialized to contract and generate movement. There are three types of muscle tissues. The first one is skeletal muscle, is in the muscles that move the skeleton. These cells are cylinder shaped and striated. This is voluntary movement. The next one is cardiac muscle, and this is in the wall of the heart, and it pumps blood. Its cells are branch and have striations. This is involuntary movement. And the smooth muscle are found in the walls of the hollow organs, and its cells are elongated and tapered and lack striations. And just like the cardiac muscle, this also is involuntary movement. And the last type of tissue is nervous tissue, which is the main tissue of the nervous system, and it's found in the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It's composed of neurons and supporting cells called neuroglia. The nervous tissue regulates body functions, and neurons are branching cells that receive and transmit electrical impulses, and the neuroglia nourishes, insulates, and protects neurons. So just for a recap, there are 4 types of tissues in the body. The first one is epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. Thank you.